Good morning. Let us talk about the IRM Energy IPO that is opening on 18th October. IRM Energy is a city gas distribution company in India with operations at Banaskantha in Gujarat, Fatehgarh Sahib in Punjab, Diu and Gir Somnath, and Namakkal and Tiruchirappalli in Tamil Nadu. The company is engaged in the business of laying, building, operating, and expanding the city or local natural gas distribution network. It is an integrated value driven energy enterprise developing natural gas distribution projects in the geographical areas allotted to it for industrial, commercial, domestic, and automobile customers. And it has built its competency as a CGD company by development of its existing GAs since 2017. It distributes CNG for use in motor vehicles and PNG for use by domestic households as well as for commercial and industrial units. It commenced its operations in July 2017 pursuant to the receipt of authorizations for the GAs awarded for Banaskantha and Fatehgarh Sahib in the sixth round of bidding conducted by the Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Body in July 2016. Its supply network consisted of 3,248 inch kilometers, including approximately 2,665 inch kilometers of pipelines of medium density polyethylene pipelines and 583 inch kilometers of steel pipelines for the 6 months ended September 30, 2022. It served 168 industrial customers, 202 commercial customers, and 43,183 domestic customers as at September 30, 2022. The company has established a network of 56 CNG filling stations, comprising 2 stations owned and operated by the company, 30 CNG stations owned and operated by dealers, and 24 CNG stations owned and operated by oil marketing companies as at September 30, 2022. The promoters of the company are Dr. Rajiv Indravadan Modi, Cadila Pharmaceuticals Limited, and IRM Trust. As for the objects of the IPO, the company proposes to utilize the net proceeds from the issue towards funding the following objects: funding capital expenditure requirements for development of the city gas distribution network in the geographical areas of Namakkal and Tiruchirappalli in fiscal 2024, 2025, and 2026, as well as prepayment or repayment of all or a portion of certain outstanding borrowings availed by the company. Now let us take a look at the issue details. The issue opens on 18th October and closes on 20th October. Face value of the share is rupees 10 and the price band is rupees 480 to rupees 505. Issue size is rupees 544.36 crores and it will be a fresh issue of shares. Out of the total 1 crore 8 lakh shares on offer, 2 lakh 16,000 shares are reserved for employees. Employee discount is rupees 48 per share. 50% of the issue will be reserved for QIBs, 15% for HNI, and 35% for retail investors. Minimum lot size for retail investors is 29 shares. Taking a look at the financial details, in the year 2021-22, company earned rupees 190 crores of revenue and net profit of rupees 34.89 crores on the same, and EPS for the year was rupees 12.39. Revenue increased by 5.18 times in 2022-23 to rupees 980 crores and profit was rupees 63.15 crores. EPS for that year was rupees 29.03. Book value at the end of March 2023 was rupees 114.48 and book value post the IPO will be rupees 216.95. The upper price band to book value ratio is 2.32 and PE comes to 24.112. At the current level, peer companies like Gujarat Gas is trading at a PE of 18.69 and Indraprasth Gas is trading at a PE of 19.21. The company belongs to Cadila Pharmaceutical Group and has a stable and growing business of city gas distribution. Strong fancy from QIBs is expected for this company. Keeping in mind the strong growth prospects for this kind of business, one can apply to this IPO. For more such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel Chanakya Pothi.